everybody, welcome back, and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning. We just got back from Tennessee yesterday, so I have a lot of stuff that needs to be put away. And then also in this video, I'm going to be doing a monthly grocery haul. So subscribe if you are new and you like cleaning, cooking, grocery haul videos. And then Friday, I'm going to be doing a food prep video slash laundry day video because I have a lot of clothes that need to be washed and I'm just not going to be feeling like folding them today, so y'all will see that Friday. But without further ado, let's get to cleaning, shall we? Alright, so this is what the kitchen floor is looking like, and it's driving me nuts. So we're going to be putting that up. The trash needs to be taken out of the bag. And then, thankfully, I did our dishes before we left. So I just have a few dishes to do. But it's mostly all of this and starting the laundry.
I don't usually fall for someone. I don't even care who I run from. You're on my mind, and you know I'm broken, but you're not the kind, on my mind, so listen. I'm on the run, afraid of heights, and too much for sound, but oh, you make me numb like no one else. You're too much to calm me down. Oh, you're another kind. It's been so long I can't remember your taste now, and the weight of your touch. It's been so long I can't remember what it felt like to drown in your love. It's like I've been walking here for days, lost in the dance, so babe, I cannot forget you. All I need is one drop and then all would be forgotten, babe. Can't live without you. You're like water, baby, water. Whoa, water. You're like water, baby, water. Whoa, it's been so long I can't remember your best sides and all of the lies. It's been so long I can't remember what it felt like to drown in your eyes. It's like I've been walking here for days, lost in the dance, so babe,
Alright y'all, so I'm taking a little break because I'm about to clean off my counter and put all my plants back where they go. I wanted to show y'all what I got at Walmart when we were in Tennessee. It was the day after Christmas. We went to Walmart around like 4 p.m. So all the good stuff was gone. I really just wanted the good Christmas candy and all the little gift sets, but they did not have any of that. They had a few toys left over and then a lot of these little picks. And this year I got my picks from the Dollar Tree and they fall apart like that. So I'm hoping these do good. Next year my plan is to do a gold themed tree, and I don't want to put a ton of ornaments on it because I really want to showcase the tree. I love our tree, and this year I kind of just like went overboard with the ornaments. But I got this little, Aaron's outside working, so I got this little deer antler. How cute is that? 50 cents, y'all. 50 cents. I think it's so pretty. So I got, I think 4 of those, and then I also got 4 of these because I just want to do like a gold. So this is definitely more of like a rose gold color. But how cute! How cute is that? And you can't beat it. 50 cents is really good because at the Dollar Tree, one pick is $1. So I thought that was a really good deal. So I'm going to get back to cleaning. We're almost done in the kitchen area. I'm not going to sweep and mop right now because it's really early in the day. It's only 11 o'clock. And I'm not going to do my dishes until after I get my groceries in here because I want as much counter space as I can have.
All I need is one drop and then I would be forgetting, babe. Kill it without you. You're like water, baby, water. You're like water, baby,
Alright, so this is the kitchen now. Aaron's still got a drink on the counter because he's using it. But I got a few little dishes to do. And I'm so happy to get all this counter space cleared off because now I can... Y'all, I'm buying a month's worth of groceries. There's just 2 of us, but I feel like that's going to be a lot of groceries. And also, I'm doing a form of keto. I love vegetables and I think it's totally okay to eat vegetables and potatoes and stuff. What really gets to me, I think my dad has celiac disease and I think I may have something like that too, or maybe just a gluten intolerance, because when I eat gluten, like this happens. I look pregnant and it just stays blowed up like that until I stop eating it. So I'm going to get Aaron and I both a lot of keto friendly food, not the specialty food, but meat, cheese, eggs, vegetables, stuff like that, whole foods, and just stay away from the breads, pastas, Little Debbie cakes. There's some up there. Because I am a busy girl. I like convenience. And a lot of times I will just choose to eat junk food over healthy food because I don't like to prepare it. So, no excuses though. I've gained... Who's with me? I've gained like 12 pounds since Thanksgiving. I know. I'm sure I'm not alone. I hope I'm alone, but I'm sure I'm not alone. Anyways, tomorrow, don't mind Aaron's kayak. He's taking that outside. It's brand new. He just wanted to unbag it. But tomorrow, we're going to get to the living room and folding all the laundry. But today, the rest of this video, I'm going to show y'all what I picked up at the grocery store. And I'm pretty excited because I feel like I'm about to go on a shopping spree. Alright y'all, I'm back from the grocery store. Spent $266. Hopefully this can get us through a month. I feel like it's more than enough, but we shall see. If I overbought, then I'll know I don't have to get as much next month. But, big pack of eggs. Aaron's watching, so he can see what I got. This is one of the packs of bacon. All their Food Line bacon, the thick, was gone. I think I found 1 pack of thick bacon. Okay, these were buy 1 get 1 free, so I got 4, so I could get 2 free. Some green bell peppers, bologna, big pack of, I think these are, yeah, bone-in pork chops. They were $9.99. They were $2.79 a pound, so there's almost 4 pounds here of pork chops. I got these chicken wings. We normally don't get chicken with a bone on it, but I thought I can make barbecue chicken with this. So that was $6.08 for almost 5 pounds of chicken. Then I got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. That was $7.17. I put kickin' chicken seasoning on there and just cook it like that. And I bought a bunch of I bought a box of freezer bags so I can split this up because we're definitely not going to eat a whole pack in one day. Then some smaller cut up chicken tenderloin. That is for fajitas. So I'll cut them up even smaller than that. And I got 2 packs of the regular tortilla shells. And then I got 2 packs of these carb balance tortilla shells. Because I'm going to be doing a lot of tacos and fajitas. Then I got 2 things of green beans, 2 things of corn, thing of onions, peas. This is for me. Aaron don't like peas. And then I did get fresh bell peppers and onions, but I'm going to run out of those. So I did get these frozen stir-fry mixed ones. I got 2 bags of those. 10-pound bag of potatoes was under $5. I normally get the red potatoes, but they're only 5 pounds, and they were the same price as this. So I just got the big one. Okay, Aaron wanted these little smokies, so I got 2 packs of those. Got 2 big bottles of the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. He wanted this ranch. He don't like the cheap ranch, so I got 2 things of those. I got peanuts, and these are the honey roasted kind. These were only $1 something for a giant container, so I got 2 because I don't want to go back to the grocery store. Hopefully I don't have to go back to the grocery store this month, and I can just go to like a Dollar General if we need something like drinks or whatever. So they didn't have the cheese and sausage Aaron likes, so I got these 2 things of summer sausage. These, unless they were in the wrong spot, these are expensive. These are like $5, which is ridiculous. But they're dry ones that are like that are $10 in a bag. So coffee, freezer bags, mayonnaise, ketchup, a big thing of taco seasoning, 2 boxes of dog food for Chloe. She also has some more somewhere else. Got these for Aaron. I don't care about that stuff, but they were on sale. Okay, these were 2 for $6, so I got 2 of the original and 2 of these andouille. These are the other 2 packs of bacon, so see, they only had 1 package of the thick sliced, and then the other 2, I think, or this one's regular, but this is Food Line. They changed their packaging. Don't look like the other kind. Okay, hamburger meat is expensive. So this was $5.29 a pound. They were cheaper. I remember getting that 4-pound pack for $10, but this is only 2.2 pounds. And then the other one, I think, is about the same. It was $11. So these are for tacos. And I'll split them into 4. Okay. Sour cream, stuff for water, Reese's creamer. And then I got a bunch of these. Well, I got 1 of this for the crock pot. And then I got 3 packs of fajita seasoning. And then this is the kind, Aaron doesn't like this Colby cheese. He likes the one with the cheddar cheese, but they didn't have any. They're always sold out. I guess everyone likes those. But I like these, so I got a bunch. I think I got 4. Because he may eat them too. So he has the summer sausage, and then I got 2 packages of this. Because this is the cheese that comes in the other pack. And then I got, for like salad or whatever, tacos, 2 of the sharp cheddar. Oh, I didn't realize that one's thin slice and this one's thick. I like the thick ones because you can actually taste the cheese. And then 2 packs of the Mexican cheese. And this for water as well. And then the only other thing we got was Mountain Dew. Y'all are seeing a mist. It's going to be clean tomorrow. And water. So, $266. Do you think that was a good deal for all that? Like, that's a ton of meat. That's a lot of meat. You think it will last for 4 weeks?
Probably.
Yeah.
Let's put it up.
Yeah. So, Friday, I think y'all are seeing, today's Wednesday, so this is when you're seeing it. Friday I will be back, and I will finish up the rest of my cleaning, and I will be splitting up all of this meat so that I can make it last. Alright, so I will see y'all back here at Friday. Like this video if you liked it. Comment down below, do you think this is enough food for 2 people for 4 weeks. And are y'all surprised that it was $266, or do you think I could get it even cheaper? Because I think it's under $70 if you split it between 4 weeks, which is $50 better than what we normally do. Alright, I'll see y'all Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss out. Bye.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun.